don't know about you guys, but once my hair reaches a certain length, it starts to fall a lot more. And lately, my hair has been falling so much. There's just hair everywhere.
We interrupt this program to bring you important news. The northern hemisphere of Assam has been experiencing a rare and strange weather phenomenon. Locals have witnessed copious amounts of hair everywhere they go. Experts are currently deducing the root of the matter. They predict that until the next haircut, the weather shall remain cloudy with a chance of hair fall.
Hey guys, I'm Sam. My hair is really crazy today because we're going to be taming it along with my eyebrows and my cheek hair, my beard. And I wanted to cut them for like 3 months. But now that I'm on YouTube, I feel like if I do anything without filming it, it's wasted potential footage. I'm going to be threading my eyebrows and my upper lip. Yes, I thread my own face. I don't thread my cheeks though because they're too sensitive and I can't. I'm going to be using my Veet trimmer. I've had this for like 2 years now and it is a game changer. I think maybe we can start with this because it's the least painful. Let's get this hair out of the way. Ow. See why I need a haircut? My skin is totally bare right now. I don't have any product on it or anything because you're supposed to use it on dry skin. This area over here grows a lot of hair. And what I do is I just kind of go up. Like look at all that. It just makes my face look smoother because the hair kind of like blurs the shine. I never really know what to do with this like ambiguous sideburn territory. So I've kind of found this compromise where I kind of lift up and then like take out whatever it is that I can't lift up with my finger, and I'm just left with like some wispy bits over there that look normal and natural. Also gonna get my chin because everybody has chin hair, don't lie. Okay, the face is done. Now let's move on to eyebrows. I thread it using a normal thread. I have like this really weird like Gopura shaped hairline, you know, like in temple architecture. I get little fuzzy hair all the way down to my eyebrow. Like we had this annual day in school once where we had to like put stickers above our eyebrow and like below our eyebrow for one of our dances, and I couldn't because I had hair there and it wouldn't stick and it was like really embarrassing. So ever since I learned how to manage my hair, I have slowly worked on fixing the situation. I just take like this much thread and make a knot. It's really not that complicated, you guys. It's more like a hand movement thing that you have to learn. But once you get it, it's really easy to do. And that's it. Like you just go like that. Find hairs that you don't want around there and then slice them off and then they just like fly out. I actually used to wax this area. But ever since I've discovered retinoids, that's been out of the question. I have to take some executive decisions. My eyebrows actually grow straight out and then like down as well. I have like 2 tails. I have to figure out which tail I want, if I want like a straight out shape or an arch shape. And lately I've been going for the arched shape. I move my hair here and then just... I'm of the belief that the eyebrow shape that's going to suit you the most is the one that's closest to a clean version of your natural eyebrow, because as soon as you start like going really thin or really thick, like filling them in too much, you can mess with the balance of your face. Though my face is pretty blunt and strong, I also feel like I have some softness and that my eyebrows are a little too thick. I mean, not like fatness wise, just density of hair wise. So I like to trim all the hair evenly once. Just put like the longer hair attachment thingy, like the 4mm one. I wasn't allowed to like shave my arms and legs and like get my eyebrows threaded and stuff in school. In 8th standard or something, like suddenly all the girls started to get their eyebrows threaded and I felt like so weird and hairy compared to everybody else. So are we done now with the face stuff? I think we are. Now it's time to cut my hair. Let's do this. So my hair situation is quite wild. There's a lot of it. So the plan today is to get rid of sample length and then get some bangs back. Here are some of my inspiration pictures. By the way, let me introduce you to my Nika Pink Friday haul. I bought 2 pairs of hair cutting scissors. It was just time to make the investment. I'm on the internet now. Brad Mondo might see my haircut.
Not the most ironic thing in the world to need a pair of scissors to open your box that your scissors came in. Also, there is one pair of scissors in this huge box. Like, Nika, what's up? This is an actual pair of scissors for reference. Ooh, it's really fancy. If you're wondering what I'm gonna do with all this bubble wrap, I'm gonna hoard it. If we ever run out of non-renewable resources and cardboard is the only thing that we can construct our buildings with, I will become rich.
So I bought a normal hair cutting scissor, and then I bought a thinning shear, and basically it cuts some of your hair but not all of your hair. I wanted to get rid of like the weight at the bottom of my hair, so I thought this might be useful. I have this big comb to section my hair out. First, let's get my hair wet. And I saw in a Brad Mondo video a technique to get your hair even, and for which I will need 4 rubber bands, and I do not have those. Look at that, we have 4 different colors. So he said to separate your hair into 4 sections, 2 in the front and then 2 in the back. By the way, this is why I never do a middle part. I don't know why it's like trending right now. I look so chomu. What is this? I actually saw a YouTuber, I forgot who it was. I think maybe Laura Lee, who referred to a middle part as a butt cut, and I was just like, see my old bangs like acting up. Oh god, I look so ugly right now. And then he said to just put a rubber band at the bottom. I am back with my 4 weird ponytails, and in the process of making these 4 ponytails, I have realized that the right side of my hair is actually shorter than the left side of my hair. Now I'm just trying to get the lengths even. Are they even? How do you tell if they're even? I think this is a little too high. Okay, yeah, I guess it's fine. Now it is time to test out these scissors. So let's just do it. I'm just gonna go for it. Usually my scissors can't go through all of this hair, so if it does manage to do that today, I will be very impressed. Trying not to pull on it too hard so that my rubber band positioning is not bad. Did you guys see that? It was so smooth. Let's do this one at a bit of a distance. So smooth. It's done. Let's get rid of these. It might shrink a bit when it curls up and dries completely, but I'm okay with that. So now what we have to do is thin out the bottom of it a little bit. I do not want to touch the top of my hair because it's already thin, and even the front is pretty thin, but the back is super thick. I'm really nervous to do this, but thinning shears for the win. I like it. Oh, my head feels like so much lighter. Next, we have to do the bangs. For the bangs, we're going to do that middle part again. A really good piece of advice that I heard somewhere was pick a haircut that flatters the hairstyles that you like to do the most. And for the most part, I have my hair up and pretty flat this way and round this way. So when I have like hair over here and then like a little hair over here, I feel like the length of my face this way gets elongated and my head just looks a lot more balanced. First, let's get this middle hair and just straighten it straight down. We can get the sides and then style them the way I like, which is away from my face. Let's do the other side. You see like the vestiges of my old bangs. I'm gonna cut them like over here, or maybe like take these two pieces out and then just cut the center piece as short as I want it, and then like get a sharp angle down the side so that I can like kind of style it like curtain bangs. I did it. Cut it like this. And then we must do the same with the other side. I saw like some genius person do this the other day. They kind of held the scissors backwards in their dominant hand and cut down. So I'm gonna try and do that. Is one side longer than the other? Yeah, it is. Maybe we can go a little shorter in the front. I have to like slide down this way to transition down to that length. Yeah, this is a lot better. Should I go thicker in the front? Okay, there's a piece here that's too long, so I'm gonna cut that. I think I should probably stop now because the mark of a true artist is knowing when to stop. Try putting half of my hair up. I feel like this strand is gonna bother me in the future and I might end up cutting it. So I'm gonna wash my floor and then wash my hair and carry on with life. I hope you thought this video was not too shabby. Subscribe so that I can see your face again. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I've been wrestling with this box for about like 3 minutes and I can't open it. I don't know where it opens. Am I dumb? Am I dumb?